All right. Hi, friends. Today, math looks a little bit different. I'm sure you can see that. Instead of me teaching a lesson to you on a video, we are going to look at it this way. So this slideshow is on your chart that you need to look at it. So I'm going to walk through it with you, and then you will be able to practice building some numbers. There's some place value blocks you can use linked for you on your page for today. And then you will go to Seesaw and you will build one number that is given to you, just like we're about to do. So we're talking about composing numbers again with place value blocks. First, let's review. All numbers are composed of digits. Digits are the actual numbers that you write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 0. Any number you write down is called a digit. That's a good math vocabulary word. The value of each digit is determined by its place value. So remember yesterday, if we had a 2 in the tens place, a 2 in the tens place doesn't equal 2. It equals 2 tens, so 10, 20. And then numbers can be composed in multiple ways. Let's see. First, when we're building numbers, we have blocks, and we also have a place value chart. And we always start with the smallest value, which is our ones, and these are our ones blocks. If I move them to where they belong, we would be able to count them up. Now, today, you are going to build the numbers using place value blocks. We're going to write the number in standard form, that's regular number form, and then we're going to read and say the number. All right. This number is 258. There are no thousands up here, so do we have any thousands here? Of course not. You do need 2 hundreds. So 2 hundreds, and there's 1, 2. You need 5 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This number is 258. Let's look at another one. Now, we are going to build the number 1,104 tens and 8 ones. So they put these numbers here for us. 1,104 tens, 8 ones. We have 1,100, 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and we have 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also, if you remember yesterday, I did like for you to put them in rows of 5. I don't think it's going to let me move them. Oh well, if you have the chance, put your ones in rows of 5. Now, this number is 1,148. And here are your words down below. Now, this one is a little different. But I want to show it to you because this is a number you might come in contact with. When we didn't have a number in the thousands place, that's okay. We just don't put anything there. If we have something in the thousands place and we don't have something in the hundreds place, or maybe we have thousands and hundreds and we don't have tens, we have to fill those places in with zeros because these are still represented by the 1,000. So we have to put a 0 there since there's nothing. So they put 1,000 and 8 ones. No hundreds, no tens. This number is 1,008. That's all it is. 1,008. Now, you have a Seesaw activity. You're going to click on it. It gives you a number very similar to the way they gave you numbers up here, but you have to put the blocks in to match. Good luck, friends.